It has come to my attention that the one short that I posted out of all my videos decided to blow up. And with that rises questions, ain't no way you got a $600 foxbody Mustang.
You lying?
Number one, I'll show you the whole process of it and how we got it to be $600. Number two, it is not mine, it is my sister's husband. So I'm going to show you the whole process and a couple clips I recorded along the way. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below and I'll try to respond to as many as I can. Let's go. Where we found the car. I'm going to now explain to you how we even found this deal. We weren't even really planning to buy a car. We wanted to go pick up some wheels from the city that was about 3 hours from us. But a couple hours into the drive, luck being on my side, we drove past an old house and I had noticed the small white fox body that seemed to just be rotting away. Normally I wouldn't have said anything, but he had previously restored a fox body, just a T-top, so I decided to tell him about it. Him having one previously, he decided to check it out. We stopped at their house, we knocked on the front door, and just as we were about to give up and leave, we decided to try the other door. Once again, luck on our side, two elderly people opened the door and we had asked what they wanted for it, expecting them probably just to ask $4,000. Cause like you see on Marketplace nowadays, the market is skyrocketing with classic cars like this. And they said $1,000 their son wanted. Of course, me and him both knowing that this was way too cheap to walk away from, we got the son's number and we are on the way to get some wheels. A few hours passed, we were just waiting to get some pizza at Little Caesars, and he looked at me while he was getting a call from the guy, and he said $800 is your lowest price. And I looked at him, shocked. So that was when we knew we had to pick it up. And in case you're wondering, wait, didn't you say $600? Yes. As we were inspecting the car a little bit more, we realized underneath the floorboards, they were pretty much rotted completely through on the driver's side. So we called him and he said, I'll give you $200 for the rust. And there we are. Luckily for us, he was a really great guy. He gave us a great deal. He knew we were going to take care of it. Now let's get back to the process. Clutch feel all right?
It feels good, yeah. No.
V6. Just a solenoid, right?
Yeah, just a solenoid.
This red interior, I definitely dig. How's the clutch feel? Holy, that's so far. First. No. Do I know how to operate this? First. Second. No, apparently not. Those transmissions are weird on the freaking 4 speeds, dude. The reverse is like 9 miles to the left.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
So just checked if it's seized. Not seized. Has compression. Has oil. Has all that stuff. Besides, of course, windshield wiper fluid. But besides that, we're going to bring the truck around and see if it'll start. Power test. Nah, no power. Seems like we got power.
Well, keep in mind, this has been like this.
Yeah, and then your son.
Brought the car back. It is currently 8:03 p.m. Got the car parked. Gonna go drop the rental trailer off. Come back and see if we can get these parts installed. We're gonna replace the regulator and I guess we'll see if it starts and hopefully it does. If not, then we got some more work to do. Can't get over how these 4 speeds are. The reverse is all the way here. Okay, now that's in. Dang, it's already connected here. Spark? Okay. Oh, please get power. That has spark.
What? This wire.
Wait, let me try the hazards again. Yeah, the lights in here are working now, hey. Yeah. Lights are on. Okay. And that is how we paid $600 for a foxbody Mustang and got it running pretty healthy. But we did not end up keeping it, and it sold. I sure do hope all your questions have been answered for this video. If you guys want to see more car content like this and maybe even some more project car stuff, like, comment, and subscribe.